Managing, coordinating, and ensuring your products get off the shop floor is complex. One misstep can stop a production line, lower quality, and hurt the bottom line. Introducing Tulip, an operating system for the digital shop floor. Connecting interactive work instructions to tools, machines, and sensors, Tulip guides operators and collects actionable data to control every aspect of the manufacturing process. Engineers can easily create shop floor apps, media-rich interactive work instructions with built-in process logic. Data collection and error-proofing is built directly into the guides. Training new employees, collecting the best ideas from the floor, and implementing change has never been easier. Using digital forms that can also snap pictures, Tulip streamlines production and eliminates unnecessary paper-based data collection. This allows engineers and operators to share critical production data and respond in real time, making your team truly lean and quicker to react to the changing reality of the shop floor. The Tulip IoT Gateway allows anyone to add sensors, tools, pick-to-light bins, and cameras to the workstation without writing a line of code. Smart tools can help control critical production parameters, making sure the process is done right every time. Connect to testing equipment, integrate with your MES, sync to quality systems, and ensure the product meets all the required specs. Tulip is a decision-making system. Every step in a process is tracked. Sensor data can be correlated to production data with a few clicks. Powered by a web-based analytics engine, it's now possible to share the state of the floor in real time with the entire team. Data connectors make it easy to integrate with your ERP, providing data when and where you need it. No IT required. Your entire process is tracked at every station, at every step in real time. Objective KPIs are visible to all, making continuous improvement by your team a measurable reality. Take the first step to transform your operations. Check out a demo, and let's meet on the shop floor.